Hello, I'm Randy.
And I'm Carolyn, and today we're at the Dave Moore Nature Area, just outside of Coloma on Highway 49.
This is one of our favorite areas to hike. It's a beautiful area that is really hiking only. This trail is not appropriate for horses or for bicycles because it's a little bit rugged. It's a mile loop trail that will take us down to the South Fork of the American River and then back to the parking lot. And along the way, they will see some beautiful beaches and some beautiful trees and some rock formations. We'll point those out to you. Anyway, it's named after a man named Dave Moore. And Dave Moore was a ranger for the Bureau of Land Management. He was born in 1949 in Eureka, California. He served 4 years in the Navy. He went to Humboldt State for 4 years. And when he graduated, he became a ranger. Well, at age 35, he developed MS, multiple sclerosis, and that disabled him a lot, which is sad because he was a great outdoorsman. He loved to raft and hike and mountain climb and do all kinds of neat things. But anyway, he continued doing those and was able to continue that until for about 10 more years after he developed MS. And then he finally died at age 52 in the year 2001. And so anyway, this area is named after him by some of his fellow co-workers, and it's a beautiful area that we enjoy. One of the things that's kind of fun about this is that kids love to do this area, and a tradition is developed here where they will bring a bag full of little dollar store T-Rexes and spiders and snakes and all kinds of things and hide them in nooks and crannies along the way. This is an area that was used during the gold rush, and so there's lots of rock walls and piles of rocks that were moved to find the gold, and these will be hiding along the trail. So anyway, we'll take you along with us. I hope you enjoy the hike. Okay, there's a geocache here. There's the rock over there, so we're a little bit behind it. We come around, there's a little hollow here, probably dug out by miners. And in there is a rock. And if we look just above the rock, there's a piece of wood. And there's the geocache. This is one of our favorite things to do on the trail. There are a lot of the ponderosa pines, also called yellow pines. And one of the things about them is they have a very unique smell. So when you stick your nose in a crack, what does it smell like?
Smells like butterscotch or vanilla.
This is what we used to call the octopus tree. It's a madrone. A lot of people mistake this for a manzanita, but it's not. Very different leaves. My kids used to call this a baby bottom tree because the bark is so smooth, and they say it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. So when we do this with the kids, they climb all over here. And Grandma does too.
survivalist tree because it seems to have survived, even though the water level has greatly changed. You see the tree, if you look closely, now Randy zoom in on the tree, it is living on a bed of rocks with its roots way back here in the sand. So even though it has been here for a long time, it probably started with the dirt level up into this area. That dirt has dropped like 3 feet and it is still surviving.
Here's an example of the potholes. What happens is a rock will get in there and the water circulating forms a grindstone and digs out a hole. Thousands of years to make holes the size of these.